Crystal here from Space to Love, and today we're going to create a little more space in this kitchen. I'm going to talk about spice racks. I know that we have done this in the past, and I actually said I was going to be like, you know what, I'm going to try these, which I got from Amazon, and I'm like, let me see if they do get stuck like the other ones. And I wanted to get back to you about that, and they do get stuck, and it was really annoying. So I don't like these, and I actually threw out the ones that were rusted shut anyway. This is my last one that I just kept open. So I'm actually going to take this metal piece down. I'm going to patch and paint the wall, and then I'm going to add these single tier spice racks, which I got on Amazon. And I think we're just going to do one here, and then we're going to do a second one right underneath. Everything will be on the wall, and that will give me more shelf space here, which I need desperately. Okay, so I'm kind of excited to use these. I was just trying to figure out the placement, and I think I like it kind of here, so it's not too high, and then the next one will come down here, so it won't interfere with the pots or pans. Yeah, I mean, it would look cute here, but I don't want it over the flame, so we're gonna put it right here. So I just marked it. I used my level, marked it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the anchors in, and then just line up the second one underneath it and get that going. So I'm going to drill some anchors in the wall, and I like to put my little post-it notes underneath so all the stuff from the wall doesn't fall on the floor. It makes it a little neater. Okay, so that went up pretty quickly, and I really like the way it looks. It almost feels like it's always been here, which when that happens with a client, like when we do something, I'm like, it feels like that has always been there. Then we know it's in the right place. So I'm really excited about this, and I feel like it's just gonna be so much easier for me to cook. Like I just grab what I need and putting the spices in, and it's great. And it goes back, and I'm just gonna keep them in the jars. Like, I know I could probably get like all the same types of jars and put labels on it, which you can get on Amazon, but I think I'm just gonna leave it like this, keep it simple, and then I'll go ahead and take that down. So this box came with 4, so I have 2 extra, and I'd like to give them away. So does anybody want to create this look in their kitchen? Please comment below and tell me about your spice problem, and then maybe we can send these to you for free. So all right, so I'm not going to recommend these for spices, but I think if you put it in the bathroom and use it for hair ties and bobby pins and things like that, or you put it in the office and you have thumbtacks and paper clips and that kind of thing. So that would be a really cute use for these, where they're not going to get wet and they won't rust. So so I'm not going to really use these for spices anymore, but they have definite other benefits. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more videos like this, definitely subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And yeah, so thanks so much, and until next time.